2026 witnessed continued momentum in India's drone and aerospace sector, with major developments in indigenous defense technologies, advanced UAV systems, strategic partnerships, and next-generation aerospace innovations. Welcome back to Drone Helpline. Here are the top 20 major updates from the aerospace and drone industry from July 2026. Skyroot Aerospace's Vikram-1 small satellite launcher successfully lifts off from ISRO's Satish Dhawan Space Center, strengthening India's space ecosystem. Technology Development Board selects 22 deep tech startups including ideaForge, Agnikul, ePlane, Dhruva Space and GalaxEye for 4,744 crore RDI projects with 2,192 crore government support. Magic Mina's Hexa Agri Pro 1 receives DGCA Type Certification for medium-class agricultural drone operations. MeitY and Drone Federation India launched NIDA 2026, one of India's largest student drone competition with Rescue Swarm, Air Mouse and Vega Risk 5 based Vega pilot challenges to foster next-generation drone innovation. ideaForge raises 500 crores through qualified institutional placement to strengthen growth and working capital, while Digantara secures 50 million in Series B funding to advance next-generation space surveillance capabilities. GreenJets raises 35 million in Series A, led by Blossom Capital with NATO Innovation Fund, NSSIF and existing investors, while BRINC Drones secures 125 million in Motorola Solutions-led funding, surpassing 250 million in total capital raised. Drones Tech Lab and IIT Guwahati deploy payload and delivery drones to deliver food, drinking water and medical supplies to marooned families in Assam's flooded areas. MOD invites Indian firms to develop airship-based high-altitude pseudo-satellites under the 15,000 crore Make-1 program, while DRDO tenders a man-portable pneumatic tube launcher for 30-kilogram foldable wing tactical UAV. Solar Defense demonstrates indigenous Bhargavastra vehicle-mounted counter-swarm drone system to the Indian Army during Make-2 program status review at its Nagpur facility. Apollo Hospitals and SASMOS partner with the ePlane company to advance India's E200X eVTOL ecosystem with electric air ambulances, medical drones and aircraft development. Indian Navy's Drishti-10 Starliner UAV crashes near Porbandar during routine training sortie. NASA tests advanced Mars drone navigation software in California's Death Valley and Mojave Desert terrains. DGCA organized Bharat Drone Manthan 3.0 highlighted indigenous drone, robotics and autonomous systems under Vision to Action theme. Thanos Technologies demonstrates Ulka X5 autonomous surveillance drone with autonomous takeoff, scheduled patrol, HD surveillance, return to base and automatic charging. Horus Innovations unveils the indigenous Vinashaka 60 long-range autonomous loitering munition, while Granta Autonomy launches the AI-enabled Black Wasp interceptor drone for countering strike drones, reconnaissance UAVs and loitering munitions. Indian Army raises specialized Electronic Warfare Brigades to counter enemy communications, radars and UAS along Pakistan and China borders. Porsche-backed Apex Recordhunter, developed by Quantum Systems N3XT team, sets 699 km/h electric aircraft speed record, pending official certifications. Aryavart Technologies Development unveils Phantom, an indigenous compact tactical UAV for rapid deployment, precision ISR and high-risk operations. NewSpace Research wins 168 crore Indian Army IDEX contract for indigenous solar-powered MAPS surveillance UAV. India successfully demonstrates indigenous low-cost tactical aerostat for persistent surveillance developed by IIT Delhi, DRDO, MOD and an Indian startup. We hope that you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And for more UAV and aerospace updates, follow Drone Helpline.